Hey, what's up, YouTube? Coming to y'all today with my 95 Honda Helix. I'm having trouble getting it started. Got it last year from a tow yard in September. Didn't do anything to weatherize it, as far as winterizing, I'm sorry. So it's a lot of wear and tear on the body. The miles on it show, I don't know if you can see it, shows 522.8, but also you can look down there, it says like 16,339. So I don't know what the actual mileage on this thing is. Rough. It's in rough shape. It's just it's just really beat up. But when I first got it last year, it ran really strong. So, I mean, I don't really know what the problem is. I was told that if I was to put my hand over the carb and choke it out, that could get it to start. I was told to buy some carb cleaner. That could get it to start, some starter fluid. Haven't tried that. I heard if I take it off and clean out the jets, it'll be better. But I'm not really mechanically inclined. I don't know if you can tell from me just talking. But I got a jump starter battery here to get it jump started, because every time I try to start it dies. So I'll try to show you guys what it's doing when I try to start it. So the gauge and everything up here seems to be working fine. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it has gas and... Alright, here we go. Nothing. Feels like farting on me, so I don't know what's going on. Anybody can help. Appreciate it. Anything helps. So, guys, let me know. Comment, personal message, anything. I just want to get this thing on the road or get it off my hands. So, thanks in advance. Bye.